Do you know what screws us up? Welcome to the 6th episode of You Know What Screws Us Up. Well, we have a host here, Yusef. And remember the dude in my video that I took an interview? My little brother? Come here. Come here. Do you like me?
No.
Why not?
Because you always hit me and shout at me for no reason.
What the? Okay, so remember that? Yeah. And let's start with the show. Let's go to Julian.
Okay, last time when I was talking, in the last episode when I was talking about the hackers for Xbox Live, well, I called Microsoft yesterday and they said they'll try to find out who did it and everything. And I still hate you hackers, all you nerds out there that are like...
Yeah, and remember me? That's right.
You know what screws us up? Little children that, those little babies that get like heck of views just for like laughing or something, that screws us up.
Yeah, we're gonna get a baby right now, and it better get views. If it doesn't, forget those little babies. You know what, Harry? You know what screws us up? My brother. Remember him? I hate my brother. You know what? Yesterday he threw this dart in my eye, and it was sad.
Oh, crap!
We went to San Francisco Giants. Yep. Yeah, we went to San Francisco.
Trap my mind easily, explain why we adapt the crime. I'd rather die enormous than live dormant, that's how we on it. Live at the main event, I better trip them out, we on it. Presidential suites, my residential for the weekend. Confidentially speaking, it goes since I sent you speaking. The NXS rental, don't be fooled again. I'm kind of over where?
Take a picture of the limo. What?
What company is this limo?
Dangerous.
Welcome to the 6th year.
Okay,
I should do it. Did you guys see my video? I'm a bad boy.
Yep, that's right. I'm a bad boy. Bato. No, I'm just... No, my brother. No.